Colorful Cute Kids.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Skye from Paw Patrol. It's so easy and fun. Let's get started. Step 1. Start with her lovely eyes and her nose. Make sure her eyes are big and adorable. Step 2. Draw her smiling mouth. She looks so happy. Step 3. Draw her face. Skye is wearing a cute mask. Step 4. Add her hair and her crown. She looks just like a princess. Step 5. Draw her body and clothes. In this video, Skye's outfit is very beautiful. Step 6. Draw her for legs and her tail. Step 7. Outline your drawing. Use a black marker to make her stand out. Let's start coloring. First, I use light pink for this part. Then, I color her hair, face, and tail with brown. Brown for her eyes, too. Add red, cream, pink, and gray for her clothes and details. Next, let's draw and color Rocky from Paw Patrol. Let's get started. Step 1. Start with Rocky's nose and mouth. Then, draw his eyes and his eyebrows. Step 2. Draw his face and his hat. He looks so cool in his hat. Step 3. Draw his ears. Step 4. Add his body and legs. Step 5. Draw his backpack. Rocky is ready for action. Step 6. Outline your drawing. Use a black marker to make him bold and visible. Let's start coloring. Gray for his fur, green for his hat, suit, and backpack. orange for his accessories, dark green and cream for extra details. Finally, I used dark gray and brown for his eyes. Great job, everyone! Rocky looks amazing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye!